Welcome to Mama D's Prayer Cooking and Life videos. This is Huli chicken. It is a Hawaiian recipe that is sold everywhere in Hawaii. The onions is for the last step. This is all the ingredients that they use. Huli actually means turn. And in Hawaii, when they are preparing and grilling this huli chicken, it's so awesome. In a crowd, every 10 minutes, this chicken needs to be turned on the grill so the crowd will holler, "Huli!" That's so cool. That caught my attention. I love the group effort. And I love that this recipe is so popular in Hawaii. So you mix all these ingredients, except for the onions, into a bowl. And you mix it real well, and you make sure that the brown sugar has dissolved so before you place your chicken in this mixture, and you put it in the refrigerator and let your chicken marinate in this mixture for 4 hours or overnight if you can. You place it on a baking sheet, and then you place the sliced onion on top, and you bake it in a 400-degree oven for 35 to 45 minutes, but you make sure you turn this chicken every 10 minutes. And when you turn it, you marinate it again with the marinade that it's soaked in. You serve it with rice and peas, and I have to tell you, this recipe is so delicious, and the chicken is so moist. It was so appeasing to the palate. Thank you for watching. God bless you, Mama D.